Hi, my name's Errol Burrell. I'm the Machine Center Product Specialist for Okuma America. And so here we're going to discuss 2 or maybe 3 new machines. I'll be focusing on the machine centers, and my colleague Dave Fischer will be concentrating on a couple of new lathes.
Hello, my name is David Fischer, Lathe Product Specialist at Okuma America Corporation. And today I'm going to show you the LB2000, which is our latest introduction for the LB2000 family with the MYW spec, so milling, Y-axis, and sub-spindle. It has an 826 spindle on the left side, 2.6 inches through the draw tube. We have milling and Y-axis on our turret, and then we transfer the part to the sub-spindle for completion, so you can make the part complete in a single operation. In this case, we're making a guitar tuning knob, which is part of our demo for making an electric guitar. We made it on multiple machines in the booth here, but this made the tuning knobs for that guitar. Okay, so now we move along to our LB4000 MYW. So moving from the smallest of the LB series to the largest in the LB series. So again, MYW spec, so milling, Y-axis, and sub-spindle. This is the first time we've offered this spec on a machine of this size. So we're happy to introduce that here at IMTS today. We're making a military compensator here, complete. We're doing the majority of the machining on the main spindle, including the engraving. Then we transfer it to sub-spindle, and we finish the part there. So again, the idea is making the part complete in a single machine, single operation, and we can do it all first side, second side, as well as milling. So
today let's talk about the premier machine, which is going to be, when I say the premier, it's the debut of our new machine. It's the MA4000H, which is our brand new horizontal machine. It's the 3rd generation of the new design. Just look from the outside of it, you can see the new slimline control, 15-inch. So you've got the new rapid nozzles here, buttons here, switches. You've got slimline, soft, high keys, soft keys on the control as well. It can tilt slightly as well. Let's go inside of it. And what's new about the inside of the machine? Well, let's look upstairs or in the ceiling. We've got the new shower coolant, which comes separately. We have wash around the new table. The B-axis, I should say. It's a 400mm pallet, 4 by 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters. We have the new 15K spindle, which has 242 Newton meters of torque. Inside it, we have a new system, way covers, much steeper way covers, single piece way covers. We have a modular design in the Y-axis and X way covers as well. So this is our sluzzless tank. And what's in the sluzzless tank? We got 4 components. We got the cyclonic filter system. We got a secondary tertiary bag as well. We also have the drum filter conveyor, and we also have the tank as well, the sluzzless tank. And all those 4 components make it a sluzzless tank. Now what happens is the tank itself agitates the particles or swarf that comes into it so it doesn't settle at the bottom. It comes through the system, goes through the cyclonic filter, comes through the tertiary bag, comes through the pump, goes back into the tank as well, clean. So literally you'll be running this same coolant for years. Just top it up for years. But we will not be contaminated with any chips, things like that. So it makes downtime to an absolute minimum. So this is the 64 tool disc magazine. This is standard on all, going forward on all our this generation of horizontal machines. It's angled slightly so you can handle longer tools, and you'll be able to do quick tool changes. If you want more than 64 tools, then we move to a matrix style magazine, which is more of a wine rack system. Right, well thank you for coming to see our booth, and just before we go, just have a quick look at this old lathe here that we've, one of our first ever machines that we ever made. It's a lathe, and probably about the early 1900s. And as you can see, we have moved on, especially when you look at the LB machines. But if you want to learn more about who we are, if you want to even purchase or just maybe have a test cut, go on our website, which is www.okuma.com, or go and see one of our distributors. We have a 40-year relationship with all our 3 main distributors all over the US. Contact them locally, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much.